Vortex Bladeless is a Spanish tech startup. It wants to completely change the way we get energy from the wind. Think wind stick instead of massive tower with blades that capture blowing winds. The Vortex is a new kind of wind turbine being developed without any blades. The conical shape harnesses the oscillating motion caused by the wind and converts that to kinetic energy. When wind hits a structure and flows over its surfaces, the flow changes and generates a cyclical pattern of vortices at the tail end of the flow. This is known as vortex shedding effect, which creates something known as vorticity, and that is what Vortex Bladeless uses to generate energy. Vorticity has long been considered the enemy of architects and engineers who actively try to design their way around these whirlpools of wind. Where designers see danger, Vortex Bladeless's founders see opportunity. The team started Vortex Bladeless in 2010 as a way to turn this vibrating energy into something productive. This is not your usual wind turbine. It consists of a fixed mast, a power generator that has no moving parts which come into contact with each other, and a semi-rigid fiberglass cylinder. The power generator is a system of magnetic coupling devices, which means there is no gears needing lubrication and an overall system needing less maintenance. The Vortex team says there are some clear advantages to their model. It's less expensive to manufacture, totally silent, and safer for bats since there are no blades to fly into. According to conservative estimates, Vortex saves 53% in manufacturing costs and 51% in operating costs compared to conventional wind turbines. Vortex is much smaller than traditional wind turbines, allowing you to use your space more efficiently. Initially, the co-founders were looking at large generating devices. That remains a longer term goal, but a much shorter range goal is a device of 4 kW vortex that would be about 13 meters tall. The company sees this generator being used in conjunction with solar generation for homes that are either off the grid or want to be off the grid. This Spanish company has already raised $1 million from private capital and government funding in Spain. In February of this year, Vortex Bladeless relocated to Boston. There it is working with Harvard University, Sun Edison, and is working with venture capitalists for its next round of Series A funding. Due to public interest in investing in the company, they will launch a crowdfunding campaign on June 1st.